Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier. So in this particular video, I am going to start discussion on a very popular visualization tool widely used for reporting and creating dashboard and all these things, and that is Power BI, right? So this is nothing but one data visualization tool mostly used for reporting purpose. There are many things you can do with this. You can import data from different sources, that may be some Excel file, PDF file, CSV file, or any other format like JSON. Okay, then with database also you can connect with cloud platform like a very popular cloud platform Snowflake. You can connect this and create real-time dashboard, okay, which will update according to update happening in database, like that. All these kinds of things you can implement in Power BI. Okay, so first step for creating any report is getting the data. So when you will be opening your Power BI desktop, you will be getting this kind of interface. Now here I'll be going to get data, and here first let's start with very simple Excel. From Excel we are going to import our data. Okay, so this particular data I'll be providing in the description box so that you can also practice with this. So I am opening this. Okay, so if you just take the data, you can see that there are in that Excel file there are two worksheets, table and table 3 and sheet. So let us just click on table 3 and you will be observing one snapshot of the particular data. Okay, here you can see many tables are present, many columns are present. So load option is there, which will directly load that. Transform data is you have taken that data. Now before loading and doing some data visualization, you do some necessary transformation. Okay, so I will be clicking on transform data, right? So if you are having some experience with exploratory data analysis or EDA, widely used in machine learning and data science projects, then it will be very much familiar with you. Okay, so see, first thing which I want to show you, that is filtering columns and filtering rows, changing column names. Okay, basic fundamental transformation. Okay, so first see, whenever you click on any particular column, here drop down you will be getting, and in drop down here you can see what are the distinct values present. Like for start year 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18, these are the distinct values. Okay, right? So now you just see this particular column, and if I just click only movie, there is only one constant value movie is there. So it is not at all helpful for our business intelligence point of view. So what we will do, we will simply delete this particular column. Okay, drop this particular column. So for dropping that, you just click on the particular column. Okay, and here you will be getting remove. Okay, two kinds of remove option is present. One is remove, so this will remove those columns which you have selected. Okay, and there is other option, remove other columns. So it will remove all the other columns which you are not selecting. Okay, but this time I want to delete or remove that particular column which I am selecting. So I will be simply choosing this one, remove, and see that column gone. Okay, right? Now suppose it might happen while doing some transformation, by mistake you have removed that. So we have to do something to avoid that kind of blunder mistake. So for that, here you can see whatever your steps you are applying in the transformation phase, here it will be coming sequentially. So whatever steps you want to just ignore, okay, that is by mistake somewhat you have done, you just want to undo that particular stage. Okay, so here see, like removed columns here coming, I'll be just simply clicking on this cross. Okay, and see again title type movie is coming, but and see here remove columns gone. But when I'll be deleting this, okay, so I'll be clicking on this column and remove. So see here removed columns coming, right? I hope up to this very simple. So this is how we can filter columns. Now coming to filtering rows. Okay, so let's try to filter based on the start year, right? So again I'll be clicking on this drop down, and I can see that 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18, these are distinct year values present in this particular data, right? Now what we can do to do filtering based row wise, one possible way is you just click on in the checkbox and make this tick symbol for those years which you want to consider. So first I will uncheck all. Now suppose only 2014 and 15 data I want, so I will be clicking on OK. So this filtering will be applied, and see, start year only having 2014 and 15 as year values, rest all are deleted. And see here in applied steps, filtered rows are coming. Now I am just deleting this, that is I am going back to my original stage before applying row wise filtering. So what is the disadvantage of this particular step? The disadvantage is it is not dynamic. So suppose you are continuously taking data from a particular database, that time suppose in that database 2019 data is not present for the time being, but later at some point of time in future, maybe data corresponding to the year 2019 will come. That time you need to adjust this manually. So instead of doing this way, here the better approach is using number filters. Okay, so I can click on anything, like suppose I can choose greater than or equal to. Okay, so here you can see keep rows where this start year is greater than or equal to, you can set, or if you want you can choose anything, equals to, does not equal, is greater than or equal to, is less than equal to, all possible combination. So is greater than equal to maybe 2016, okay, or maybe 2017 I can say, and is less than equal to 2018. Okay, instead of 2017 let me make maybe 2014 to 2016. Okay, right? So see here, and condition we are applying, that means both the conditions should be simultaneously satisfied. If you want you can put or also, no problem, according to your requirement. And as soon as I will be clicking on this, what will happen? So we have seen in our data 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18. This all was present, but only after applying this particular filter condition on rows, the data will be present for the year 2014, 15 and 16, because we are applying the condition that the start years should be greater than or equal to 2014 and less than equal to 2016. So I will be clicking on OK. Before applying, see here 2018 data present, right? 2017 data present here. Now as soon as I am clicking on OK, so see, no data present for 2017, 18, only 14, 15, 16 present. Okay, so this is how we can do row wise filtering. So what we have learned, how to load the data, okay, that is by simply clicking on this particular one here in this get data, and see this particular we are doing in a new window which is called Power Query Editor. Okay, so Power Query or Editor window, and this is our actual window which will be opened whenever you will open the application Power BI desktop. Okay, right? Then some more transformation what we can do, maybe the name of the table I want to change. Okay, maybe something else, suppose movie data, right? Maybe I can do, and see here the latest applied step is filtered row wise filtering we have done. Now we are doing this one, okay, that is this table name we have updated, okay, right? And moreover, suppose some column names you want to change, okay, suppose this T const, if you double click you can change, or here you go below, click on this, just click mouse pointer here in this particular column, and here you can get rename. Okay, so maybe ID simply I am giving, okay, and see renamed columns. So all the operations are coming here also. So see, we are changing to ID. So like this we can change the column names, okay, or table names. So we have learned how to delete or filter based on column, based on rows, okay, how to change the table name, how to change the column name, okay. And once it is done, so what you have to do, you have to just load this data for visualization. So there are three ways: close and apply, apply, close. So when you will apply close, it will simply close. If you apply, it will simply apply. And when you will just click this one, close and apply, it will apply this on the data. Along with that, it will close this particular window and it will go back to our original window, which is our this window, this one. Okay, right? I hope you are understanding. And remember this, whatever transformations we are applying, this is only present in Power BI. It is not going to affect in our source. Okay, so no need to worry about that whether data will be modified in the source also according to the transformation what we are doing here. No, it is not going to happen like that. Data in the source will be remaining unaffected. So here simply I can click on close and apply, and see, I am clicking close and apply, and that window is closed. Now here this is just taking some time to apply all the transformations, because you can understand we have just done the transformation by simple mouse click, but there are some program which is working at the back end and applying all these stepwise transformation stepwise. So if you go to this particular second option, here you can see different data like movie data which we worked, right? So this is the data, right? And like this. So I hope you have understood this. This is all for this video. Thank you.